eye problem, migraine, also balance. Some people have no balance, walking time, balancing problem, and PCOD problem, and COPD lens. The danger is after the corona, some people, 50 plus people getting COPD lens. When they walk into 10 step, there is some problem. Okay, and like that result and heart problem. When some people have stroke, they are now one lady 20 plus hour she's on bed. Okay, now she just last time I saw her meet with her. At the time she's sitting, same time she just like stand up. Okay, and like type energy. So this product definitely will make everyone healthy. Okay, our full body function will change 44 to 120 days. So I realized that I took the opportunity from 2500. Now I am diamond. Definitely we will achieve our all dream with the Diva secret. Why? This product needed to every home, everyone. We are in India. There are a lot of people, so no problem. Okay, then everyone means I am using this product. My father using, my mother using. One of all my close friends using this product. Okay, then I tell him you should use this product. Otherwise I didn't call you like that, because they are happy now. When I refer 26 people. Okay, 25 people continue using the product. The 25 also gold and above. Some people diamond, some people gold and above. Because the product is working, so we can achieve everything. I'm planning to one home building near 1 crore rupees. Already I give the token. Last week 3 lakh rupees I give the token, because we can achieve. We are in the network marketing industry before, or else any financial industry, or else software engineering, anywhere. But at the end we want money, blessed money. Definitely we want blessed money. If at the now we want more than 2 CR, because we will do one good home, 3,000 square feet. Definitely 1.2 CR. Definitely small 3,000. Then some land we buying 2 CR. So in this company, everyone 18 years old to 80 years old. Okay, we can achieve our all dream, and also we can travel. Last 20 days I am traveling all over India, Mumbai, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, and anywhere. Definitely it will be go to international, and we meeting every day new people with a different industry. Some people are engineer, some people are software industry, and doctors, and different people. We can discuss with them good knowledge and happiness. Okay, everyone very happy. And definitely this team, we got an amazing leader. One of the I am calling everyone every time is a legend, because I know he's a legend in the industry. Definitely his name will announce in the world. Okay, definitely he's the super kingmaker. You know how to build kings. Okay, so we have good team, good company, good product. Definitely you should plan minimum 10 CR rupees within 18 months. 18 months, 18 months you should. Everyone don't lose your hope, because here there are chance. We didn't get any chance any time. We will get only 1 or 2 time in the life like this chance, because there are no liability. There are good money, blessed money, good products, good people. Okay, you see the surround. When I come here, I see only good people. There is no negative talk. Yes.